Okay, creating a wiki. A wiki page is actually very easy to create, and I think it's one of those things where I think if you've never made one of these before or used one, you're really going to enjoy this. And I think as you get out into schools, or even if you don't even become a teacher, I think you're going to see people using these kind of file sharing programs online a whole lot more. So getting a basic understanding of how these types of things work, I think, is really going to help you. Basically, what a wiki page is, and if you haven't used one, is a way that you can upload information onto it or files, and then other people, contributors, or people who can collaborate with you online, can see those documents, work on it, and then you can get back online, work on the same document, and you just automatically saves within it. Now, the benefit to this is, instead of, like, let's say you're working on a Word document and you want somebody to take a look at it and work on it, and without having to basically do take your Word document, save it as an attachment, and then the other person gets on there, checks it out, makes some, that emailing back and forth. This is so much easier. And basically the way to get started is just go to the PB Wiki address, and that's just shown right up there at the top. And once you do, what's really cool here is they've got a demo, and you might want to take a look at it. It's really short, and it's going to help you understand. There are a lot, of course, little intricate ways that you can create these things, but you might just take a look at it. And basically what you need to do then is you're going to hit the Create a Wiki button. Now, before you do that, though, there's something that I will be showing you later here, and you're going to need to make sure you do in case you decide not to watch this whole tutorial. You're going to need to allow me to have access to your wiki page, of course, because when you basically cut and paste your wiki address into the assignments tab, if I click on it, and basically if you haven't made me a contributor, then I'm not going to be able to see your information in your documents. So you're going to need to make sure you do that, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But basically, you just click on the Create a Wiki page, and then fill in your information here. Self-explanatory, I'm sure. And then once we scroll down here, I would go ahead, who is this wiki for? Go ahead and click on the education button. All right, and then yes, please make this is a PB Wiki 2.0 wiki, which is a lot easier to understand. They keep making updates to it, so yeah, leave that check marked. And then just, of course, click on Create My Wiki. Now, once you've got that started, and I'm going to go ahead and log in to one of the wiki pages I have here. Let me log in. All right, now you can see these are all the wiki pages that I currently still have access to. And this is what it's going to look like once you create yours, and then as your group members allow you onto their wiki page, then you will see their email addresses as well, their PB Wiki addresses. Now, I want to show you then, you have basically two ways to get access to a wiki page. Now, let's say one of your group members emails you their address, their new PBWiki address. You can either come down here, if you scroll down, and simply join a wiki, and you type in the name of that wiki, and it's going to send whoever, to that email address an email saying this person wants access. But there's an easier way, which is, let me log on to this other wiki page that I've created so I can show you how to do this the other way. Basically, when you open up your PB Wiki page and you click on it, you're going to come to the front page, and it's just got all kinds of information on it. But as you come over here, for one, you see where it says Upload Files or Create a Page, and you're going to obviously need to do that and create a page, and then you're going to want to probably upload, I guess, your Word document, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But if you come over here, it says Share this wiki. All right, and what you're going to need to do in here is this is where you're going to type my email address. And since everybody's going to be having this email address because it's easier for me, you will simply be typing in njheck962@gmail.com. Now, what will happen is I will automatically be able to access your wiki page so that I can help you and so that I can grade your work. All right, now right down here it's just telling me what my most recent activity was. It looks like I uploaded a JPEG image, just a random stuff that I've used as examples. So let's go ahead and let's say I want to create a page. So I'm going to click on the Create a Page button, And it says over here, name your page. Let's put testing the wiki. I'm going to create this. All right, now, just like within a document here, I'm going to go ahead and just type in some information. Um, Here is an example of an online page. Now, the great thing about creating a wiki page like this, a new page within Wiki, is that people aren't going to have to download or anything your information. What you could simply do here, of course, is go into a Word document and copy and paste your text from your document into this, which is cool. You can do it that way, which is actually kind of nice. So that's one way that you can use this. And then, of course, I'm just going to click Save so you understand how that works. All right. Now, I'm going to go to Upload Files. All right, and here's what I've already uploaded onto the server, the PBWiki server. So I'm going to upload a document here just for fun. And I don't have any clue what that is, some random Word document I've got here. All right, there we go. It's uploading my file for me. It's just telling me as it's working here, the status of it or whatever. I think that was actually a pretty big document. Alright, there it is. It looks like it's continuing to upload it. Anyway, so that gives you an idea of how I upload this document. Now, if I come back here and I click on my home button now, and I go over here to the right hand side, you see right here where it just said in my recent activity, community mapping to document. Now, when you upload, let's say, your Word document that you're going to create your 6 to 8 paragraph on, when I log on, this is the first place I'll be looking for to see where that document is. And it's really just as simple as that. And that's where you're going to be also, of course, going to look when, once you have gotten your other group members and you've got access to their wiki and you're working on each other's. So that's the same place you're going to want to look for their information as well. So hopefully that makes sense, and excited for you guys to use this website. I think you're really going to like it.